Sure. Here's a natural-sounding YouTube video script for your BRABUS 900 XLP review without headings, brackets, or symbols, and mentioning your channel ATC Auto inside. Welcome back to ATC Auto. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most insane creations in the world of luxury performance trucks, the BRABUS 900 XLP. If you think you've seen powerful pickups before, think again. This beast redefines the meaning of extreme. At first glance, the BRABUS 900 XLP demands attention. It's based on the Mercedes-AMG G63, but takes everything to a whole new level. The design is aggressive yet elegant, with a wide-body kit, carbon, fiber accents, a custom bed, and the signature BRABUS details that make it stand out even among the best. Under the hood, this monster houses a heavily tuned 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that pushes out a jaw-dropping 900 horsepower and 1,250 Newton-meters of torque. Yes, you heard that right. This means it can rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just around 4.4 seconds, which is absolutely insane for a truck of this size and weight. Driving the BRABUS 900 XLP feels like nothing else. The ride height, the raw power, and the roar of the engine make every journey unforgettable. Plus, it's packed with top-tier luxury inside, fine leather, carbon fiber, and premium tech everywhere you look. It's not just a performance machine, it's a rolling luxury lounge. But of course, exclusivity like this comes at a high price. The BRABUS 900 XLP is not for everyone. It's a statement piece, perfect for those who want the ultimate combination of power, off-road capability, and pure luxury. At ATC Auto, we love seeing machines that push the limits, and the BRABUS 900 XLP is exactly that. It's extreme in every sense, yet refined where it needs to be. Whether you're a fan of super trucks or just appreciate automotive excellence, this one definitely deserves your attention. Thanks for tuning in to ATC Auto. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more incredible reviews coming your way. See you in the next video. Would you also like me to write a short YouTube description and title to match this script? It could help you upload it faster. Of course, I will explain it more simply and clearly so you can easily understand and present it naturally in your YouTube video. The BRABUS 900 XLP is a highly modified version of the Mercedes-AMG G63. BRABUS is a famous German tuning company, known for taking powerful cars and making them even more extreme. For the 900 XLP, they did not just tune the engine, they completely transformed the vehicle into a luxury pickup truck with insane performance. It has a 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Normally, the G63 has a 4.0-liter engine, but BRABUS made it bigger and stronger. The result is 900 horsepower and 1,250 Newton-meters of torque. This means it is extremely fast even though it is a big, heavy truck. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in about 4.4 seconds, which is faster than many sports cars. The looks of the BRABUS 900 XLP are very aggressive. It has a wide-body design, which means it looks much broader and tougher than a normal G63. There are carbon fiber parts all over the body, like on the hood, fenders, mirrors, and even the roof. The pickup bed at the back is custom-made and makes the XLP look like an off-road monster but still luxurious. Inside the cabin, BRABUS has upgraded everything. There is the finest leather, custom stitching, lots of carbon fiber trims, and high-tech features like advanced infotainment and special ambient lighting. Every part of the interior shows luxury and attention to detail. The BRABUS 900 XLP is also made for off-road adventures. It has a lifted suspension, special off-road tires, and a lot of ground clearance. So even though it looks like a show car, it is fully capable of handling rough terrains, deserts, snow, or muddy paths without any problem. However, the BRABUS 900 XLP is very expensive. It is not a vehicle for everyone. It is for people who want something unique, powerful and luxurious, and who do not mind paying a high price for exclusivity. In short, this truck is a perfect mix of power, performance, off-road ability, and luxury. It is one of the most special vehicles ever made by BRABUS. If you talk about all these points naturally in your video for ATC Auto, it will sound very professional and detailed. Would you also like me to create a small voice tone guide? So you know how to say these things while recording? It will make it even easier.